Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making something really delicious for you guys. It's gonna be chicken Manchurian. So what is chicken Manchurian really? It has fried pieces of chicken smothered in beautiful sweet and spicy sauce. It is delicious. We're gonna serve it with a bit of egg fried rice, which are gonna be homemade. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First of all, you're gonna grab a bowl, in with plain flour, crack in 5 eggs, in with crushed garlic. Grab your knife and remove. Garlic is gonna add a lot of flavor, so make sure you use that. Moving on, black pepper, red chilli, paprika powder, cayenne. Finish this off with salt. Now let me tell you, you should be able to taste your flour, alright? Break the egg yolks and give this a really good mix. As you can see, this has turned into a thick base. That is what you're looking for. In with the chicken. This is chicken breast. Get your clean hands and give this a really good mix. Once done mixing, just leave it aside for 10 minutes. Now get your frying pan, add in the oil and turn the heat to medium high. Now I like to drop some dough to see if the oil is nice and hot. If it starts floating on the top, you're good to go. Let's drop our chicken nice and easy. Now it's best if you don't overcrowd them, just try to cook them in small batches. We're gonna cook these until they are nice and golden brown. When you can hear the sound is almost disappearing, that's when you know your chicken is ready. And look at them, beautiful, gorgeous color. That's what you're looking for, alright? Now I'm using a newspaper to remove all the chicken. It's a clean newspaper. Alright guys, the chicken is done. It looks fantastic, look at it. For the sauce, we're gonna start off with ginger, garlic, spring onions and beautiful green chili. Turn up the heat to medium. In with a good touch of oil, let it get heat up. Now let's add in the garlic and the ginger. Cook this until golden brown. Now in with green chili and spring onions. Give this a really good mix and cook for another minute. Oh, it smells amazing. Now in with chicken stock. And in goes the ketchup. Give this a good mix. Add in the soy sauce and vinegar. Mix again and bring this to simmer. Now it's best if we cover it. To make our sauce thicker, we're just gonna add 3 tablespoons of corn flour here. In with some water. Give that a mix. As you can see, it start to simmer. Now we're gonna make our sauce a bit more thicker. You know, as I said, gonna add in the corn flour. Nice and slowly, and just mix it while you do that. So mix while you add in the corn flour. As soon as you add in the corn flour, the sauce will get thicker, and after a minute or 2 you will see it start to bubble. Alright, at this point of time we're gonna reduce our heat to low. We're gonna add in our spices. So start with black pepper, crushed red chili, a teaspoon of sugar. Finish off with a pinch of salt. Now give this a mix again. Mix in all those spices. Now let the sauce cook for another 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm just gonna turn off the heat here. Look at the consistency of the sauce. So it's almost like it coats the back of the spoon, alright? Alright, now in with our beautiful chicken. Just gonna throw in all of it. Just give it a slight mix. Oh man, that looks so delicious. Trust me. Look at that. Beautiful. All done. For the egg fried rice, we're gonna start with the eggs. In with a good touch of oil. In with the eggs. Just break it into little pieces, alright? At this point in time, we're gonna throw in our cooked rice. Good pinch of black pepper, good pinch of salt. In goes a good squeeze of dark soy sauce. Give that a mix. Now in with some carrot and some spring onions. Now give that a mix again. Have a little taste. Beautiful egg fried rice. Done. Alright, so the egg fried rice is ready and our beautiful Manchurian is ready. Beautiful and delicious. Grab this plate here. Grab 2 of these babies here. And with the egg fried rice, chicken Manchurian. Finish this off with a bit of more spring onion. And look at that beauty. Finish off with a bit of fresh spring onion. Alright, let's try this beautiful chicken Manchurian. You know what? My whole house smells like chicken Manchurian right now. I'm just gonna try some of those rice along with the sauce. Oh, just look at that. Wow. So delicious. Let's try this chicken as well. Bismillah. So tasty. One of the best recipes for chicken Manchurian you'll ever eat. A bit sweet, a bit spicy, the perfectly cooked sauce. Oh man. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.